Welcome to this JavaScript tutorial. Today, we're learning how to capitalize the first letter of every word in a string. This is perfect for formatting titles, names, and UI labels. Let's walk through how it works using a simple regular expression. Let's get started. We want to detect where each word starts and capitalize its first letter. Using regular expressions is a clean and fast solution. Now let's look at how we can achieve this in code. This function uses a regular expression /b a-z to find the first letter of each word. /b matches the word boundaries, and a-z targets lowercase letters. Each match is passed to uppercase for conversion. It is concise and works reliably. This approach is highly readable and avoids complex string splitting. It leverages regular expressions and callbacks to modify just what we need. Let's look at more examples to see it in action. Notice how the function respects spacing and non-letter characters. It only capitalizes alphabetic characters that begin with words. This works great for user inputs, titles, and form data cleanup. From filling out name fields to formatting blog headlines. This function ensures your text is neat and presentable. It is a small enhancement that significantly boosts UI quality. Let's review what we've covered today. That wraps up our lesson on capitalizing every word in a string. We used a clever regex to identify and transform the red characters. You can now use this function in any app that needs text formatting. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.